This year marks 3 years since we left the fast-paced life of Southern California for the quiet rural countryside of Maine. Living in San Diego and backpacking overseas gave us adventure, freedom, and unforgettable memories in our 20s. But as we grow older, the need for belonging and security, the roots of Maslow's hierarchy of needs, draws us closer to something deeper, a place to plant roots. It's finally sinking in. This isn't just a stop along the way, this is now home. A place where we can invest, raise a family, build a community, and create a life together. In the hustle and bustle of Southern California, it felt like we were always chasing time, trying to carve out moments of peace. It's comforting to know we found a safe haven in a world that feels often unpredictable. Maine has given us a space to pause, reflect, and embrace a more intentional way of living. Great quality guaranteed from Walmart. Product of China. Probably just ate poison. And through it all, one verse has stayed close to our hearts. Be still and know that I am God. These words have been a quiet guide, reminding us to trust, let go, and take in the beauty around us. This year has been filled with moments that reminded us why we're here. In April, we stood in awe watching the Total Solar Eclipse, which was a humbling reminder of the vastness of the universe.
Whoa!
Here it goes.
Yeah.
It's nighttime.
There it is.
Daytime. It's nighttime. Oh.
Wow.
Oh, it's great.
Wow.
Have fun. Oh my gosh. We also took a big step forward by buying an old farmhouse on 10 acres. It's actually a triplex, so while we're busy renovating, we're living in one unit and renting out the other two. It's far from perfect, and we have so much to learn, but every project brings us closer to the life we're building. This house isn't just a roof over our heads, it's a stepping stone toward the dream of one day building our forever home. During the summer, we took a much-needed break from home renovations and ventured into the Northern Maine Woods for a fishing trip.
Yep, I got one.
Yeah, Harry, catching us dinner. Harrison. Harrison.
This is 40 windows that is going on our house this week, and we're so excited. They dropped them off while we were on our fishing trip, and we came back to this surprise, so we're super excited to upgrade our house with all new windows because all the windows in our house are just like broken and super old and not working.
Wow. That was crazy.
It's a beautiful 70-degree day on November 1st in Maine, which is crazy, but we're not complaining. Take a look. The porch is gone. The boys from Lion Construction are working on it. They're ripping down the whole porch. We ripped down the last part of it today, which we got footage of. And now we are picking paint colors because they are gonna paint the house. All right, so we're going with Iron Ore by Sherwin-Williams. It's a charcoal.
In the fall, we took a trip up to Quebec, just 4 hours away from home.
One-wheeling is the best way to see a city, by far. You can see everything in less time, go through all the cracks and crevices.
Harrison just got his first 2 turkeys of his life. Tell us about it, babe.
Well, Alyssa woke me up and said there's 5 turkeys in the yard. And I grabbed my shotgun and I snuck around to the back porch and just peeked around the corner and was able to shoot 2 of them. Thank you, God, for supplying this food from the forest.
Harrison is making us turkey tenders.
Nuggets.
Turkey nuggets.
Yep. Look at all this beautiful meat from 2 turkeys. We also have all the legs in the slow cooker.
Wow.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Lyss is driving. Watch out.
It's my first time in an ATV.
Through it all, our work has been an incredible blessing. Since moving to Maine, our video production business has grown beyond what we could have imagined. Over the past 3 years, we have filmed more than 60 weddings, each one a chance to celebrate love and document stories that will last a lifetime. We also took on projects that brought us to stunning places across Maine, including filming for the TV show Maine Life and working with a group of luxury hotels.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How's it going?
Smells crispy.
Smells crispy. That's exactly what we were going for.
All right, we just got some incredible shots with the drone of the planes taking off and landing on the ice. This is crazy. I've never seen this before.
Wow! Being from Florida, this is really cool to see. I have been blessed to travel all around the world and the country, and honestly, Maine is the coolest place I've been. It's so beautiful, and you don't see this every day. Every project has been an adventure. Here's a behind-the-scenes look at what it's like to do what we love.
Good morning. We are here at the Claremont in Southwest Harbor, near Bar Harbor. And today starts the first shoot of 6 hotels that we're shooting over the next 2 weeks for Atlantic Hospitality. And we're just about to get some sunrise drone shots. But first, all right, so we just got here at the Salt Cottages. We finished up at the Claremont this morning. Now we're on property number 2. We're about to do some fly-throughs of the cottages. We're here at the Wanderer Cottages in Kennebunkport, Maine. This is property number 3 for Atlantic Hospitality. We are filming today. We're about to fly the drone, and then we're gonna go take a bike ride into town and grab a bite to eat. We rode our bikes here from the Wanderer down by the beach, got some drone shots and some nice clips of the beach, and then rode up here to the boathouse. Got some oysters, gonna have some dinner, and head back for some s'mores. So we are at the 4th out of 6 properties that we're filming for Atlantic Hospitality. Here is called Sandy Pines. It's a glamp ground in Kennebunk, Maine, and it's all these converted trailers and stuff that are all Wes Anderson themed. So every cabin has a different Wes Anderson movie as its theme. We're about to fly this drone through 3 of them. And yeah, it's all looking great. We're gonna have some s'mores tonight. We're on a s'mores tour. All right, we just got to the Lincoln Hotel in Biddeford. We are about to do a drone fly-through throughout the lobby here, and then we're just gonna start shooting the whole place. So we'll take you along as best we can. So Lincoln Hotel, 5 out of 6. We have arrived to property 6 out of 6. This is the dunes on the waterfront in Ogunquit. It's a beautiful property. It's exactly what the name says. Dunes on the waterfront. Insert B-roll. Just finished shooting for the dunes. So I went to the gym, went to the omelet factory. Sorry, omelet factory. So now we're back uploading, and then we're gonna go to the pool, chill for a minute, and then once it's low tide at like 1 o'clock, we're gonna walk across, get some beach shots.
Yeah, I am.
This is how you get.
We have a
umbrella.
broken umbrella.
As we reflect on the past 3 years, Maine has given us the chance to grow in ways we didn't know we needed. It's taught us to slow down, to listen to life's rhythms, and to find joy in the quiet, ordinary moments. Each season has brought its own lessons, and each step forward has reminded us of the beauty of this path that we're on. We're so grateful for all that this year has given us and for the opportunity to build a life that feels true to who we are.